What's up, guys? I've noticed that a really popular use for our dovetail clamps is this 2-in-1 tall fence joining sled, or some variation of it. Today I'm going to show you how to use our new dovetail hardware to turn this same sled into a tapering jig. If you've already made one of these for yourself, good on you. And if not, follow along. Let's make one together. All you need is some 3/4 inch plywood, a router, and a 1/2 inch 14-degree dovetail router bit. I recommend the match fit dovetail router bit because it's just so nice. Cut your plywood down to match the length of your table saw's rip fence by 10 inches wide. Now bring it over to the router table, set your fence to 2 inches, and set your bit depth at 3/8 of an inch. Route grooves on the 2 long sides with the fence set at 2 inches. Then move your fence to 4 inches and route grooves on the 2 short sides. Now mark the center of the sled long ways and route a groove down the center. If your router table doesn't have enough capacity, I recommend using a miter gauge. Now measure the halfway point between the center groove and the outermost grooves on your sled and route the last 2 grooves. Cut 1 inch off of each corner at 45 degrees and chamfer 3 sides. I'll show you why in a minute. And there you have your standard tall fence joining sled. Now let's add some dovetail hardware and make some taper cuts. The easiest way to do this is to just make 2 simple slotted stops out of 1/2 inch plywood. Remember that one side you didn't chamfer? This is going to be our 0 clearance reference edge. Start by marking the taper you want to cut on your workpiece. Set your rip fence at 10 inches because that's the width of our sled. The blade should just barely be touching the reference edge. Align the start and end of your taper with that reference edge. Lock down your stops and clamp the workpiece. Just by adding these simple stops, you can cut as many parts as you need, and they're all going to be uniform. And that's it. It really is that simple. We're super excited about the dovetail hardware, and as always, we want to see all the cool stuff you guys make with it. So tag us on social media and show us what you're up to. Thanks for watching.